I worked in this area once again. I needed to find a house that would fit at the end of the Coke plant. That was kind of smaller, and the Lincoln Park house fit perfect. That is all plugged in and can be lit up. Then I did a little painting on my river and pond. So I need to come back in with a light blue and touch up some spots. And then the dark blue is where the deeper areas are. So what I need to do, I think, is come in with another shade of blue and go around those outer parts. Then I think I'm gonna take a little bit of white and put specks of white here and there for like white caps. Then glue down my rocks, and I can fill it in with polyfill once the paint is all glued or dried. This area here where I put the sand, I'm not liking that. It kind of turned a little yellow. So what I think I'm gonna do is just paint that blue. Then I did a little stuffing with my polyfill in some cracks and covering up some wires. I got these ones over here all covered up, added some trees. Then I come along the edge, I got all the way down with the curly snow. But this spot here, I had it there, but I ran the train just to make sure that everything was gonna be okay. Derailed it a couple times, and one time when I went through, it took off the curly snow. So I think what I need to do is cut the styrofoam back. Now, I typically do all of my styrofoam cutting in the garage. It just gets too strong of a smell in the house. But since I have everything on it, on this piece of styrofoam, I don't want to move everything. So I think I'm just gonna carefully carve it in the house. So I'm gonna have to go and get my wire heat gun and carve that out. So that is kind of where I'm at right now.